What's going on, everybody? I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and I haven't made one of these episodes since I think probably like a year ago. I think I do this at least once a year where I go on a trip and I mention which watches I'm bringing on the trip. And I love doing these little like personal life update things because this is a perfect little example of what every watch enthusiast goes through like multiple times a year, just looking at all the watches they have and being like, where would I bring this watch? I mean, I might end up doing this one thing, so of course this watch would be perfect, but what if I find myself in this specific situation where this other watch would just be perfect? And then you just end up staring at your whole watch collection, just playing with all the different watches, and then you totally forget to pack, and then your girlfriend yells at you. I'm trying, all right? I have ADD! It is 7:14 p.m. Let's get down to business. All right, so I have not really gone on a trip in a very long time. It seems like actually literally last year. So I haven't had to make one of these episodes, like which watch am I bringing on the trip, but you guys always ask me whenever I post on Instagram. By the way, follow me here. But whenever I'm posting my personal life out and about, people are like, ooh, what watch are you wearing in that photo? Ooh, what watch did you bring to this place? Ooh, what watch are you doing? Hey, what underwear are you wearing? Will you sell your feet pics? How much for feet pics? Hey, I want your feet pics. Stop DMing me that, guys. But I am finally stepping away for a little bit, just a weekend. I'm taking my girl out. We are leaving the city. And because we're leaving the city, that means I can wear one of my Rolexes. Because you can't have anything nice in Los Angeles. So we are going someplace where there's going to be a beach. So, I live on the Pacific coast, right? So like it could still be LA, but it's not LA, I promise. But we're gonna go to the beach, so I might get wet. We're also gonna go on a hike, so that might be like field watch territory. And we're gonna be, going out to dinner and stuff. So why not bring something a little bit refined and fancy? And I figured instead of bringing like 9 watches, I'll just bring this. Oh God, it doesn't want to focus. What is going on? Ricky, why is this happening? My Rolex Explorer 2 16570. Why do I say it's perfect for this trip? Well, we're gonna be in the mountains a little bit, so this is like, it's literally an Explorer, right? So it's like a field watch. I might get wet. Well, hey, this has a threaded crown and oyster case and at least a 100 meter water resistance rating. And we're gonna be going out to dinner so I can impress all the peasants with a Rolex on my, no, I'm just saying, like, who doesn't want to wear a Rolex going out to dinner? And again, we're not going to be in the shithole that is Los Angeles, so I might actually be safe wearing this. Not that I have to worry about not being safe, because I got these guns on me, illegal in California. He called the shit poop. Which movie is that from? Leave it in the comment section. Whoever gets it right, I will reply to you and tell you a deep, dark secret of mine. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be bringing this to my little vacation, and I'm going to also be bringing a G-Shock because redundancy is key. I don't think it'll be my Neo Tokyo. I think I'll probably be bringing my DW 5600 module with the NATO strap. My olive drab one, so I'll probably be bringing that. But yeah, I'll be bringing this and a G-Shock, so why not have some fun? Just wanted to share that with you because I know people are going to be bothering me when I post pics on Instagram. They're going to ask me what I'm wearing, and yeah, this is my perfect travel watch because I have multiple time zones, I have a tough, durable case, a threaded crown, a decent water resistance rating, 100 meters at least with this oyster case, that's good enough. Date complication, I will never get rid of this watch. I'm just gonna say that right now. I will never get rid of this watch. I own a few Rolexes, I'm fortunate enough to say. My Date 1500 and this aren't going anywhere. Never selling either of these. Date 1500 is arguably the best reference number ever, and this is easily the best travel watch, even if you're not leaving a time zone. This is perfect, but yeah. Love it. Wanted to share it with you. I will catch you on the next one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.